Hello everyone, I'm Cyrus and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the green tint issue which is happening in the MI11X devices. So recently I did a video on that particular topic as well, just I think 4 to 5 hours ago. As you can see friends, 3 hours ago. But for this 3 hours ago video, I did get plenty of message and a lot of users. They're asking me to try different kind of scenarios. In the previous test, I did a kind of scenario where using the low brightness in the dark environment, but certain users, they requested me to do try different kind of methods. So in this video I'll be discussing about those methods what I'll be trying. So one of the user, he did ask me to use the HDR videos from the YouTube application and to try this kind of test by decreasing the brightness. As you can see, 30 to 40%. So these are comments which I got. Even some users, they asked me to test even in the Google Chrome as well by using the dark mode in the gray background, as you can see. So these are the few things which I'll be testing in this particular video. So in case if you have different kind of problems in your MI11X device, so make sure to comment below. So definitely I'll do my testing as much as possible and I'll upload the video as soon as possible. And let's see friends whether this problem is happening or not. And this is also another request which asked by one of the user, try on the YouTube with the low and medium brightness. So these are the settings which I'm going to try right now. So let's see friends whether this kind of problem will be happening or not. And in case if you're facing this kind of problem, make sure to contact Amazon and try to apply for the replacement as soon as possible. So I'll try myself approaching the MI as well regarding this kind of issue. So this video is particularly made for MI people, so I'll try to even forward this kind of video to them as well. So let's see friends what are the scenarios the users asked me to perform this kind of test. So test scenario 1 is that using the HDR video in the YouTube application. So I'll try to play a HDR video in the YouTube application and I'll try to use a 30 to 40% or even I'll try to use less percentage as well, the brightness, and I'll try to keep the room environment as well very dark. So let's see what's happening in this one particular model. So let me try to open the YouTube application and type the HDR videos directly so I can get the list of HDR videos which are already there here. As you can see, I'll try to play one of the HDR video. So here is a HDR video which I'm trying to play, and right now the brightness is at 70%. So let me try to decrease the brightness and I'll try to turn off the lights as well, so you will get to know what the results are. So right now you can see here friends, I'm using with the very less brightness. It's close to 10% as well, 10 to 30%. So let me try to try with the 30% of the brightness first, and let's see what's happening, whether you will be able to see the green tint or not while playing the HDR videos. I'm trying to play in the full screen videos friends, so you will be able to see any kind of difference. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to play this kind of video, which is a HDR video with a very less brightness. So let me try to decrease the brightness as well, really low. I'm not sure whether you might be able to notice or not in this kind of shot. So let me try to increase the ISO so you might be able to see the difference. So in my unit, I'm not noticing much, but little bit I can see when I try to tilt the phone while watching. I'm not sure whether you'll be noticing in this video or not, but definitely I can see some kind of green tint is going. This I never observed until some users said to me by looking at the comments. This is how I got to know friends. When I'm trying to tilt somewhere here around the corners here, I can see something kind of green tilt when I'm trying to tilt here. So scenario number 2, where the user has asked me to use the Google Chrome browser and use in the dark mode in the gray background, as you can see. So when you turn the brightness to the lowest, the grays are turned into the black. As you can see, when you increased by little, it returns to gray. So this is what I did mention in this kind of scenario. So let me try to test in my smartphone friends using the Google Chrome browser, and I'll try to keep this kind of gray background image as well. As you can see friends, right now I typed the gray background wallpapers in the Google Chrome browser, and I'm using with the dark mode as well as the subscriber requested for. So I use the dark mode and I'll try to decrease the brightness once everything is set. So this is a gray background wallpapers which I thought of using in this kind of testing. So let me try to download a couple of wallpapers, gray wallpapers, and I'll try to show you in the gallery application, or maybe I can use the same Google Chrome application as well for the testing purpose, because he did recommend me to use only the Google Chrome application. So I'll try to turn off the lights and I'll be back again. So right now, as you can see friends, I did turn off the lights, and is a brightness test which I'm trying to do in the Google Chrome. As you can see right now, I'll try to set to the lowest level as possible, so maybe to the 10 or 15% of the brightness. So it is a screen. So let me to even increase little bit of brightness so you might be able to see the difference, but everything is dark environment friends completely right now. So I'm not sure whether you will be able to notice or not, somewhere here when you try to tint, you can feel the green tint is going on when you use in the low brightness mode. The gray color particularly, this is what got affected most of the time when you try to decrease and increase the brightness. So right now, as you can see, friends, this is another image which I have taken, so which is completely gray color as well. You can see some kind of green shift tint is going on somewhere around here. So this is a situation where if you use very low brightness and if you use very dark scenarios, only then you might be able to see this kind of green tint problem when you try to, as you can see, somewhere around here. So I'm not sure exactly in every device it might happen, only few devices which are not calibrated properly. So this is a scenario, friends, only few units might have not calibrated properly with the display settings, so that is where this kind of problem occurs. So you can even try by turning off the 120 Hz to 60 Hz, and you can check by yourself as well. So sometimes even that may cause some kind of issues. I did read a couple of articles in the online after researching a lot in terms of the same green tint problem has been happened in plenty of other smartphones in previously with the OnePlus smartphones. So some of them, they did advise you to use a little kind of less refresh rate, so then the green tint problem has gone. So but I'm not sure whether it will be working or not, but you can just give it a try in your device in case if you're feeling that kind of a problem. So if it works, so make sure to comment below, friends. Definitely that will be very helpful for a lot of other users as well, so they can try using low refresh rate while using, but that should not be a case in a smartphone with this kind of premium range budget mobile phone. So that's it, friends. This is a quick review and update on this green tint problem. So there's a part 2 sequence which I did for the part 1. So make sure to comment below what are your thoughts, and if you have any other scenarios which you want me to test, definitely I'll do my testing in my channel as soon as possible as well. So thank you, friends, for all your support and great likes as well. So don't forget to like and share my videos with your friends in case if they are planning to buy this phone as well. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.